brand new lace slip style dress from Cupshe. If I were to say that this dress was stunning is an understatement. This is the Aria V-neck lace slip dress. This is a smock style dress, so the back is super stretchy. Smocked all the way across, adjustable straps. The way this dress is tapered gives it the softest pleats. It's super flowy, plenty of room. From the high-low length to the lace to the tassels, it's coming through with this beautiful boho look. Delicately gorgeous. The high-low length takes it from midi in the front to maxi in the back. The softest lace, 70% cotton, 30% nylon, so it's super lightweight. If I'm not standing up close, you just don't understand. This lace is so detailed. The perfect special event dress for hot weather. This dress is gonna turn heads, but in the classiest way. I'm gonna link it below.
8 years na ta, Ma'am Ja. Ja, 139 years na, madam. Ma'am,
Ay, ito may maganda. Extra small one piece. Ganda kaya nito. Extra small to small, ma. Pabackless, tali likod. Ayan. Pabackless, patali sa likod, patali sa likod, Ayan. Okay. Size extra small to small. Pang bodysuit, Mima, ang ganda. 139. Code ako dito ng 16. Code 16, 139, 139. 16 ang code. 139 pesos says 139. Code 16, mine 16, mine 16. 139, size is small. Ang ganda, metallic. Ayan, 139, 139. Code 16, mine 16. 139. Next one. Okay, next tayo. Okay. Patali sa harap, best. Ayan, kay yellow, dainty floral. Size sa medium. Medium hantag, beb, sa medium size. 139. Code ako 24. Code 24, 139. 24 ang code, 24 ang code, 139. 139, 139. Code 24. Yours, madam. MC. Ayan, thank you. 139. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Thank you, Beba. Next. Next tayo pa halter tali likod. XL. Size XL, XL size. Tali likod, XL. High waist ang shonti. Ayan, size XL. Code ako dito ng 26. Code 26, 139. 26 ang code. 139, 139. Code 26, size XL 139. May paperless, ma. 26 ang code, 139. Size XL. Next one. Ato small. Straight underwear. Small. Soft tie yung top, madam. Soft tie top, soft tie yung shonti. Small. Very medium. 139. Code ako 1. 139 lang, 169 lang din yan. Code ng 1, 139. 1 ang code. Size small, straight underwear, 139. Code 1, code ng 139. Next tayo. Ay, ito may maganda. One piece, size large. Large one, tag pa one piece, 139. Code ng 2. Code 2, 139 pesos, 139. 2 ang code. 2 ang code, 139. Code 2, mine 2, 139. 139, 139. Code 2, mine 2, 139, 139. Okay, next. Ami, green. Tingnan natin kung meron. Okay, green, may pa-body strap. Tali likod. Ayan, size large. Large on tag, pa-halter. Tali likod, large. High waist ang shonte. Large size, tago yung wet packs. Large, 139, code ng 5. Code ng 5, 139, 139. 5 ang code, size large. 139, 139. Code 5, mine 5, large on tag, 139 pesos says 139, 139. Code 5, mine 5. 139, 139. Okay, wali. O, next. Next, pa one piece. Pa-halter backless. Hi, yes. 10 hours talaga ako, ma'am. Ihilang pahinga nga ni. Ayan, size 27, medium. Medium, ma. Medium size yan. Size medium din to. Oh. Small pwede din. Si size 27. O, small. Ay, medium. Medium, ang gulo ko na no. Ayan. Size medium, pa-halter backless medium size. Tago Puson, 139. Code ako dito, 16. Code 16, size medium, pa-halter backless. 16 ang code. 139, 139. Size medium. Code 16, mine 16, 139. Next song. Yes, kaya ng large to, ma. Knitted yan. Very large. Gets ngin? Ayan. Knitted yan siya, Mia. Ayan. Stretchy. Ayan o. Stretchy yung tela. Fitted sa large to, ma. Maganda pa. Ayan. Maganda yan sa'yo. Perfect yan, Mia. Getsungin mo na. 139. Ayan. Meron? Wala. Asya sa large yan, ma. Knitted yung tela. Yes or no? Pa-confirm. Waiting ako. Okay, next. Pass, okay. Next. Patali sa likod, pang size large. Large on tag double lining. High waist on tiya. So for high waist tali likod, large size. Ay XL. Size XL, ay large nga. Large size, 139. Code ako dito ng code ng 28. Code 28, 139. 139, 139. 28 ang code, 28 ang code. 139 pesos. Merong co-ords. Ayan, tignan natin kung meron. Mga handpick, meron din kami. Ayan. Sino may bet handpick? Payment first. Red na pa-dress. Ganda nun. Okay, pa-halter tali likod, size XL. XL on tag, south tayo yung shanty. Pang XL, me, XL, 139. Code ako dito ng 25. Code 25, code 25. Ito, oh, ganda. 25 ang code, 139. Size XL. Mine now, pay now yun, Mine now, pay now. Mine now, pay now yun. Ito, oh. Maria Mercedes. Ang ganda nito, mga pang LU. Pang LU, pang Boracay, B. O, plakado. Sino ka dyan? Diba? Ganda ng pula. O, heart na naman yung mga mata nyo, oh. 699. Ay, 499 lang pala. 499, lock 21 na. Ay, 499, lock 599, super lock 649. Size is small on tag, carry hanggang body frame ko.